Hi! So I have just driven from Leeds to York, and now I'm in York and I'm meeting Katie, my best friend, in a second, and we're here for the weekend. So we're here with Visit York and we are staying literally just across the road over there at Staycity York, which is like an apartment, and then we're just exploring York really. We're going to go to the Christmas markets. We're going to go and do all the Harry Potter things, because apparently York is famous for its Harry Potter inspiration. The shambles apparently were the inspiration behind Diagon Alley. And then, yeah, we're going to go out for dinner, we're going to do a few things, and me and Katie are just going to catch up really, because it's our kind of weekend away together, so we can catch up. Yeah. So we've just checked in. We're staying at Staycity York, and we've got a lovely little 2-bed apartment. So I'll give you a little tour. This is my room. You've got a double bedroom with everything you could possibly need, and huge window, ensuite bathroom. And then out here, this is Katie's room, double twin, and then I've got kitchen, and then a seating area. Katie's gone off to the dungeon and I've gone to Viking Centre, and look,